Okay, student. Now let us discuss some new topic of variation chapter. The topic is time and work. Time and work. If A can do a work in suppose 7 days, okay? A can do a work in 7 days. Therefore, in one day, A can complete 1/7 of the work. So if A is some student and A can do a piece of work, piece of work in 7 days. Then in one day, A can complete 1/7 of the work. If B can do a piece of work in n days, okay. Therefore, in one day, B can do 1/n of the work. Okay. So this is the main thing. If one can finish or time taken by A to do a piece of work equal to 7 days, therefore in one day he can complete 1/7 of the work. So this is the main formula. These are the main general rules. So here it is given only general rules. If work done finish in n days, then work finish in one day 1/n of time. If work finish in one day equal to 1/n, then time taken to finish the work equal to n. Now we will proceed to some problem sum. So we will solve this problem. Here it is told that A can do a piece of work in 25 days and B can finish it in 20 days. They work together for 5 days and then A leaves. In how many days will B finish the remaining work? Next question is there. Do a A alone can finish a piece of work in 12 days and B alone can do it in 15 days. If both of them work at it together, how much time will they take to finish it? So this is a bit tough, so you all are beginner. So first we will do question number 2. Here it is told A can do a piece of work, finish a piece of work in 12 days and B can do it in 15 days. If both of them work at it together, how much time will they take to finish it? So we will do number 2 solution. Exercise 9C. What it is told, A can finish a piece of work in 12 days. Time taken by A to finish the work. Time taken by A to finish the work, how much day it is? 12 days. 12 days. Therefore, part of work finished by A in one day. As he can finish the work in 12 days, so in one day how much work he will do? 1/12, okay, of the work. Again, time taken by B to B to finish the work. Time taken by B equal to how much? It is given as 15 days. 15 days. Therefore, part of work finished by B in 1 day. So B can finish the work in 15 days. So in 1 day, how much work he will do? 1 by 15. Part of work finished by A plus B in 1 day. Now together, as they work together, so we will find out their job they will do, how much part of the work they will do in 1 day. So A plus B, that is equal to A is how much? 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. So you take LCM. LCM is 60. So 12 into 5, 1 into 5, 5, 15 into 4. So 1 into 4, 4. So this is equal to 9 by 60. 3 into 3, 3 into 20. So 3 by 20 of the work has been done by A and B in 1 day. Therefore, time taken by A and B to finish the work working together. Working together. So we have to divide 1 divided by 3 by 20. So this is equal to 20 by 3 days. So 3 into 6, 18. 18 2 by 3 days. Till here also you can keep the answer of, or if you want to convert it into days and hour, then 6 days plus 2 by 3 into 24 hours. So 3 into 8, 8 into 2, 16. So 6 days, 18 in 9 into 2, 8 into 2, 16 hours. This also you can do. So this is the final answer.